Hi, welcome to the Paire list making demo where we will walk you through step by step how to make a list. First thing, upper right hand corner, click that burger and then select list from the drop down. Tap on the plus, new list, and then give your list a name. Here we're going to make a Manayunk bucket list. Great little town in Philadelphia, great neighborhood in Philadelphia with lots of great restaurants and bars. You can find your list alphabetically amongst your other lists that you might have. There it is under M, tap on that, then tap add new restaurant. Here's where you're typing in the name of each restaurant you want to add to the list. In the event it is a popular name, you might want to consider adding the neighborhood or the city or the state after the name of the restaurant or bar to make sure you're getting the right one. Also, want to make sure you're spelling the name of each restaurant or bar or whichever outlet you're adding to your list correctly, because misspellings make things a lot more difficult. As you're creating this list, you'll see a location pin to the left that represents your own personal compatibility with each of the outlets on your list. Then you can go tap on that camera to give yourself an album cover. We're choosing the famous Manayunk Bridge, just like you would in Spotify. Then as you tap on the names of your restaurants, you'll see a little bit about each restaurant. You can take notes on the notepad, rate the restaurant, add it to another list, get directions. That's it. You could make as many lists as you like and share them with friends.